stop letting imposter syndrome hold you back. In this video, I'm going to show you a powerful morning ritual that has helped hundreds of my clients transform their relationship with success and their relationship with themselves, more importantly. You know that feeling when you look at your achievements on paper and something inside is whispering, I'm not really good enough. If they only knew, I don't know if I deserve this, or someone's going to figure out I'm fake at some point. If you're nodding your head right now in recognition, you're not alone. In fact, research shows that 84% of entrepreneurs and successful business owners report feeling like imposters at a moderate to intense level. But here's what's fascinating. I've discovered a unique approach that has helped hundreds of my clients break free from this mental trap. And it's not just like a believe in yourself affirmation kind of pep talk. Instead, it's a practical, metrics-based method that literally reshapes how you see yourself. And the best part, you can start using it immediately. So before I share this method with you, let me tell you why it matters so much. I have worked with countless successful entrepreneurs over the last 30 years, and I've also worked with leaders who, despite their incredible accomplishments, were constantly held back by this nagging sense of feeling like a fraud. We're talking about people who have built multi-million-dollar companies, have spoken on international stages, and transformed thousands of lives, yet they couldn't fully own their own success. So for the next few minutes, I'm going to be walking through a powerful 3-step process to help you overcome imposter syndrome once and for all. You're going to learn how to use concrete metrics to silence that inner critic. You're going to leverage AI in a completely new way to shift your self-image and implement a morning ritual that can literally transform how you show up not only in business, but in your life. So, step 1, the power of measurable results. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you actually sat down and looked at the concrete evidence of your success? Not the stories you tell yourself about how you got lucky or how someone else could have done it better, but the real, measurable results that you have produced. This is where most people go wrong when they're dealing with imposter syndrome. They try to fight feelings with feelings. They tell themselves, just be more confident or think positive, or, everybody thinks you're great. But here's the thing. Your imposter syndrome doesn't speak the language of feelings. It speaks the language of facts, which is my favorite language. So here's what I have my clients do first. Create what I call a success metrics inventory. Try and say that 5 times fast. This isn't just another gratitude list. This is about getting specific and measurable. You are now going to get related to reality. For example, instead of writing, I've helped a lot of people, you'd write, I have worked with 72 companies and their teams. Instead of my business has grown, you would write, I've increased revenue from 1 million to 5 million in 5 years. The key here is to be as specific and measurable as possible and include numbers wherever you can. Think about number of clients you've served, the revenue you've generated, the growth percentages over time, any awards or certifications that you've received, speaking engagements you've had. I've spoken in 20 different countries to 20,000 people, countries you've worked in or lives you've impacted. So by the way, if you're ready to take this work even deeper, I have created a complete system for overcoming imposter syndrome, and all you have to do is click the link in the description to get my free workbook and training video. But step 2 is the AI perspective shift. Now, here's where things get kind of interesting, because once you have your list of measurable achievements, we're going to use AI technology to help you break through your self-imposed limitations on your view of yourself. This is where ChatGPT comes in, but not in the way you might expect. Take your success metrics inventory and cut and paste it and put it into ChatGPT with this prompt. Write an introduction for this person as if they're about to appear on a television show or podcast. What happens next is often completely transformative. You see, ChatGPT doesn't have your emotional baggage. It doesn't know about that time in 7th grade where somebody made fun of you, or that boy broke up with you, or that girl didn't say yes when you asked her to the dance. It doesn't carry your limiting beliefs, and it doesn't carry your self-doubt. It only processes the facts, and it creates an objective view of your achievements. It's remarkable. I'm telling you, when my clients read these instructions, they are often moved to tears when they get back what they get back from ChatGPT, because they have forgotten who they really are. And that's often what happens for people with imposter syndrome. They have no clear view of who they are because they're so busy looking through the view of this failure or this regret or this resentment. For the first time, when you do this, you're seeing yourself through a lens that wasn't clouded by your own stories and self-doubt. You can see the truth of who you are and what you've accomplished. Then step 3 is the morning ritual. Okay, this is where we, put some meat to the bones and cement the transformation. Having someone else record this introduction, yes, actually record it with their voice, creates a powerful pattern interrupt in your brain. When you listen to your achievements being celebrated by another person's voice, it bypasses your usual self-critical filters. So here's the protocol. 1, have AI-generated introduction recorded by someone else. I mean, if you have to use your own voice, okay, but find somebody else to do it. It really does work much better. And number 2, listen to it every morning for 2 weeks straight. Pay attention to how this new narrative starts to shift your self-image. So what happens over these 2 weeks is actually remarkable. You begin to have a new listening for who you are outside of the phony, fake imposter identity that you've been carrying around. Your brain starts to actually accept this new narrative as the truth, because it is the truth, just without your usual filters and limitations. And the science behind why this works, I mean, we might as well talk about why this 3-step process is so effective. According to the research published in the Journal of Behavioral Science, imposter syndrome often stems from an inability to internalize our achievements. We can acknowledge them intellectually, but we don't truly own them emotionally. So this method works because it addresses both the logical and the emotional aspects of imposter syndrome. The success metrics inventory satisfies our need for concrete evidence. The AI perspective shifts the objective view of our achievements, and the morning ritual helps rewire our emotional response to our own success. Think about it. When you're constantly exposed to an objective, fact-based celebration of your achievements, it becomes increasingly difficult to maintain the belief that you're a fraud. It's a little absurd. Your brain literally begins to rewire itself to accept this more accurate self-image, more reality-based self-image. Remember, imposter syndrome isn't about being good enough. It's about being able to see how good you already are. This process that I've shared with you today isn't about becoming someone new. It's about finally seeing yourself clearly without all those filters from the past. So let me leave you with this thought. What if the very presence of imposter syndrome is actually a signal that you're pushing your boundaries and growing to the next step, the next level of performance? What if instead of seeing it as a weakness, you could see it as evidence that you are playing a bigger game in life? I want you to take action on this today. Start with your success metrics inventory, be ruthlessly specific and measurable, and then use the AI perspective shift and the morning ritual to begin transforming how you see yourself. And remember, you can get the complete system for overcoming imposter syndrome, including the workbook and training video, by clicking the link in the description. The world needs you to show up as a fully blown version of who you really are, without the weight of imposter syndrome holding you back. It's time to let go of the fake identity and step into who you really are. And if this resonated with you, then hit the like button and subscribe for more content on building unmessable with confidence in your business and your life.